This is a demonstration on how to add a new sieving method in Geotec and how to add data from a grain size analysis done in the lab. Once my database is connected, I will go to the main entry form menu. Under Lab Test, under Lab Management, I will select sieving methods. I see that I already have two methods defined. Now I will add a new sieving method to my database, which can be used for any grain size analysis to be entered later on. In this demonstration, I will add method LS702. Since there is a separation on the 2 mm sieve, I will have a coarse fraction and a sand fraction. For each fraction, I can select the balance typically used for weighing. For the coarser fraction, the weighing is on each sieve individually and in grams. For sand, it is cumulative and also in grams. In the bottom table, I will define each sieve diameter in millimeter and the fraction to which it corresponds. Once that sieving method is defined in the database, I can reuse it when entering the data for any analysis done using that standard. Now to enter data from a new test, I'll open the grain size analysis entry form. For this example, my site, boring, and samples are already defined, so I simply select them from the drop-down list. I'll select my sieving method. You'll notice that all sieves are automatically added. For this analysis, I don't need to verify compliance with an envelope. Under the sieving tab, I can enter all management data. All fields that are white are for input. Colored fields have automations, such as the minimum and maximum sieve diameters of each fraction as I define them in the sieving method. I will now enter my masses, so the total mass, my sand mass only, as well as my mass after washing. In the bottom table, I'll enter my values as measured in the lab. Notice that you either enter the individual or the cumulative mass as defined in the standard. Once all my values are defined, I can click on the calculator and verify my results. If I also performed a hydrometer analysis on the soil sample, I will add the lab data under this tab, and Geotec will calculate the results, including the sedimentation test. I can redo a query to view my lab report in the background. Since the grain size analysis is saved in the database, I can produce my lab report I can use a summary report for the entire borehole. I can even present my results in a borehole log using the log module. This concludes the tutorial to add new grain size analysis data into Geotec. For more information or for a Geotec trial, click the link in the video description.